8 numbers given to us: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what he's asking is without replacement. So n of s would be, first has 8 chances, second has 7 chances, so it's totally 56 chances. Now option A, so we take that event to be A itself. Smaller value of 2 is less than 3. That means smaller is either 1 or 2, and one other number can be anything. Okay, that's the question. So smaller value is less than 3. Now a bar will do it by the complementary. Smaller value is greater than or equal to 3. So this corresponding to the set, the numbers has to be from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so number of favorable cases for this A bar complementary is, first one has 6 chances, second one has 5 numbers. Okay, because we are selecting two numbers one by one. So P of A bar I'm going to calculate, which is 6 into 5 by 8 into 7. So 2 3s and 2 4s, that is 15 by 28, which implies P of A is 13 by 28. Now for B, what is given for B? Now in the B is saying bigger value of 2 is more than 5. Now bigger value of 2 is less than or equal to 5, complementary for this. So that means number has to be from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, 5 chances. So n of B bar has 5 for the first number, 4 for the second number. Now P of B bar is 5 into 4 by 8 into 7. So 2, so which is 5 by 14, which implies P of B is, yeah, how much is P of B? 9 by 14, right? Now similarly the third one, what is the third one? See, product of two numbers is even. Now we have the following cases: both numbers can be even, one odd, one even. Okay, but calculating the complementary, product of two numbers is odd. Okay, there can be only two kind of numbers, even or odd, right? So if this has to be odd has to be from 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now if I do this, P of C bar is 4 chances for the first one and 3 chances for the second one, and sample space 8 into 7. So it's 3 by 14. So P of C will be, which implies P of C will be 11 by 14. I hope everyone understood this. Thank you.